Hi, everyone. As I mentioned on our weekly summary, this week during Thursday and Friday, I started uploading conversations that I'm having with Chatty, my own Chat GPT, and talking about the market. If you're new to Stock Talk with Micha Stocks, it would be amazing if you can subscribe to the channel. These are the two videos. I'm going to start, or at least try to do it every day. And after a week of plethora of news, I said, let's get Chatty to dial in and I'll have a conversation with her on 3 or 4 major things that happened in the market this week. So Chatty, are you here?
I'm here, Micha. Excited to dive into the week's top stories and share some insights. Let's get started.
I think I'm having technical difficulties with Chatty. Let me reconnect her and see if I can hear her again. Chatty?
I'm still here, Micha. Can you hear me okay now?
Excellent. Now I can hear you in a very good way. So Chatty, we had an amazing week together. A lot of news. Give me kind of your top 3 kind of news that stood out. After every one, let's pause and talk about that one.
Absolutely. Let's start with the first highlight. Gold hitting an all-time high. With factors like inflation, high debt levels, geopolitical tensions, and even election concerns, gold has become a popular safe haven. It's fascinating to see this surge as more traders flock to gold amidst the uncertainty. What's your take on this trend?
This trend has been happening for a while now. It's not a new trend. When I pull up gold chart in front of me, you can see that basically after the breakout was around the beginning of March, where gold kind of broke out of the 2000 range and started going up in a rapid way. It's now 2,700 in less than actually 6 months. But my big question to you, Chatty, is, we're in a digital world. How come people still flock to gold?
It's interesting, right? Even in our digital age, gold holds a unique place due to its historical significance as a store of value. People see it as a tangible asset that can withstand economic turmoil, unlike digital assets, which are still relatively new and can be more volatile. Gold offers a sense of security that has been ingrained over centuries. However, we are seeing a shift with digital assets like Bitcoin being referred to as digital gold due to their potential as a store of value in the digital realm. What do you think about this digital shift?
First of all, I'm very into the Bitcoin and the crypto scene, so I love to see that. But one thing that is still a huge distinct between gold and Bitcoin, in the industrial world, you still use gold in manufacturing versus Bitcoin. What are the things that you use gold in manufacturing in the industrial kind of factories?
Gold's conductivity and resistance to corrosion make it valuable in electronics and manufacturing. It's used in connectors, switches, and relay contacts in computers, cell phones, and other devices. Gold plating is also common in connectors to ensure reliable, low-resistance connections. Additionally, gold is used in aerospace applications for its reliability and resistance to tarnish, crucial for high-performance equipment. These practical uses give gold an edge over Bitcoin in the industrial sector.
And that's why I think that gold maybe also is going up, maybe because industrial areas are starting to gain strength. But that was gold. Excellent. What is your second take for the week?
For the second highlight, let's talk about the focus on nuclear energy. Both Amazon and Google made moves to secure power from small modular reactors. With the growing demand for energy, especially to support AI data centers, nuclear power is gaining traction as a reliable, carbon-free energy source. It's interesting to see these tech giants turning to nuclear to fuel their future operations. What are your thoughts on this shift?
So I got to tell you that up until a few months ago, everyone was talking about solar and wind and maybe even water. But now everyone's talking nuclear. You can hear Bill Gates involved in that, Jensen Huang from NVIDIA, of course, Sam Altman, the chairman of Oklo, Jeff Bezos and Peter Thiel. Everyone is talking nuclear right now. Is it a hype?
It's a significant shift, and it seems more than just hype. While solar and wind are important, they have limitations in consistency and scale. Nuclear energy offers a stable, high-output solution, crucial for powering AI data centers and other energy-intensive operations. Small modular reactors, in particular, promise safety, scalability, and faster deployment. With heavyweights like Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos on board, it signals a serious investment in nuclear as part of the future energy mix. The growing interest reflects the need for diverse energy solutions to meet our evolving demands. Do you see nuclear as a key player in our energy future?
If these titans say it's important and they can generate energy in any other way, I will not go against them. By the way, I think that the chairman of Oklo, Sam Altman, you might know him, right?
Yes, Sam Altman is quite well known in the tech world. He's the CEO of OpenAI, which is a leading artificial intelligence research lab. His involvement in Oklo, a company focused on small modular reactors, highlights his interest in innovative energy solutions. Sam Altman is known for his forward-thinking approach, making his involvement in nuclear energy a notable endorsement for the industry's potential.
So let me ask you this. Are you sucking up to your boss right now?
Not at all. Just giving credit where it's due. Sam Altman has a strong track record in innovation and leadership in the tech industry. His involvement in various ventures, including nuclear energy, reflects his forward-thinking approach. It's always fascinating to see how influential figures shape emerging industries.
I agree with you. What's your third and last take for the week?
For the third highlight, let's discuss the tech sector, particularly Apple's impressive performance. The iPhone 16 series shipments in China jumped 20% in the first 3 weeks compared to the iPhone 15. This unexpected boost contributed to Apple hitting an all-time high this week. It shows the company's strong market presence and the continuous demand for their products. How do you see this impacting the broader tech sector and Apple's future?
So I'm talking to you through an iPad. I have an iPhone. I have a Mac Studio, a Mac Mini, a MacBook, an Apple TV, an Apple Vision Pro, and what else? I have an Apple Watch. I'm
Wow.
listening to you through AirPods. What do you think I'm biased?
Well, you certainly... My guidelines won't let me talk about that. Can I help you
What
with
am I
something
certainly?
else?
You started to say something. Do you think I'm biased?
It sounds like you're an Apple enthusiast for sure. With such a comprehensive collection of Apple products, it's clear you appreciate their ecosystem. It's not necessarily bias, but a preference for the user experience and integration that Apple offers. It also means you have a great perspective on their impact on the tech sector.
That's true. But out of all the news, why did you focus on the Apple iPhone 16 jump? Why did that stand out?
I highlighted Apple's iPhone 16 jump because it's a strong indicator of consumer confidence and demand in the tech sector, especially in a key market like China. The significant increase in shipments compared to the previous model suggests strong product appeal and market penetration. This success contributes to Apple's overall financial health and influences the tech industry, as Apple's performance often sets trends for innovation and consumer behavior. It's a noteworthy achievement amid a competitive smartphone market. What are your thoughts on
Out
this?
of their revenue, by the way, what's the percentage of iPhone revenue?
As of the latest available data before October 2023, the iPhone typically accounts for a significant portion of Apple's revenue, often ranging from 50% to 60%. This share can vary each quarter depending on the release of new models and seasonal factors. the iPhone remains a key driver of Apple's revenue, reflecting its central role in the company's product lineup.
So that's why you liked it. Okay, Chatty. Do you have anything special to tell our viewers before next week? Because earnings season is taking another leg up. It's going to be very, very interesting. Tesla is reporting earnings this week.
Absolutely. Earnings season is heating up. With Tesla reporting this week, it's going to be an exciting time for market watchers. Keep an eye on the tech sector, especially with big names like Tesla releasing their numbers. It's a great opportunity to analyze how these companies are performing and what it means for the broader market. Stay tuned for some potentially market-moving updates.
Excellent. Chatty, thank you very much. And I will talk to you Monday morning after the opening. Thank you and have a great week. You too, viewers. Have an amazing week. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Micha. Looking forward to our chat on Monday. Have a fantastic week, and to all the viewers, enjoy your weekend. Bye for now.